Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Irene and welcome to my channel. Make sure you guys like this video, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe and click that bell button so you guys could get notifications on when I post more videos. So today's video is going to be about my bun, because let me tell you, my hair is always on point and people be asking about it. So today I'm gonna show you how I do my bun. So there's many ways women in the military could do their hair, and this is one of the ways. It's called the sock bun, and this is how it looks. And the reason why it's called a sock bun is because you actually use a bun made out of socks. So if you guys are interested on how I did my hair with a sock bun, please keep watching. Alright, so the first thing I do is my whole hair has to be wet. I have curly hair, so I just feel like it just comes out better if I do my bun right after my hair is wet rather than if it's just completely dry. So since I put gel in my hair every single day, it's very damaging to my hair because my hair is very dry and frizzy. So the leave-in conditioner that I use is this one. It smells amazing. Oh, I love it. But yeah, I definitely do not do my hair without putting leave-in conditioner first. And then on top of that, the type of gel you use is really important. So I use this one. So this one has like no alcohol and is paraben free. Alright, so the first thing that I do is I part my hair. So since I have that automatic part right there, lately I've been trying to part it a little bit further. That way I don't go bald over here. So if you guys could find, this brush is amazing for sock buns, and I'm gonna show you guys why in a minute once I get to that point. But there's many types of buns. There's sock buns, there's twisty buns, there's braided twisty buns. There's so many ways you could do your hair. Alright, so now that I got my part, I just brush all the tangles out. So once you got the gel down, just smooth everything down and just tie it together. So to brush all the edges down, I take my toothbrush and some gel. So now we gonna move on to the sock bun itself. So this I made with socks. I believe there might be like 4 socks in here. If you guys want to see a video on how I make this, please let me know and I could definitely do that next time. But so I take this, put my hand through it, and then so once it's through it, what I'm gonna do is distribute it. So I'm just gonna take my brush and just brush it evenly throughout the whole sock bun and then just tie it down. So and then you're gonna bring your hair either this side or bring it all this side, but basically you have to wrap it around like this. So I like going this way, so I'll push the hair right here, and then this is where I said this brush was gonna come in handy, because I can't use one like this because it's gonna interfere with this bun. So I feel like this is a perfect size to brush in between, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do next is just continue to add gel and continue to brush until the whole thing is smoothed out. So let's go. Alright guys, and that's pretty much it. I just continue to add gel and smooth it out so it can look nice and neat. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. So yeah, this is basically how I do my hair Monday through Fridays for work, and this is my makeup. If you guys are interested in seeing how I do my makeup for work, that is coming soon, most likely next week. So make sure you look out for next week's video on natural looking makeup in uniform. So yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.